What if I told you that August isn't the end of your gardening season, but actually the beginning of something even more exciting? Many people think of August as a time when the garden starts to wind down, when the heat of summer has taken its toll, and the harvest is nearly over. But what if I told you that this month holds a secret, a hidden opportunity to start fresh and grow even more? In fact, August is the perfect time to plant a second harvest, a new wave of crops that will carry you through the fall and even into winter. While your tomatoes and cucumbers may be slowing down, your garden story is far from finished. The soil is still warm from the summer sun, and the days, though growing shorter, are just right for sowing seeds that love the cooler weather ahead. As summer crops fade, the soil's lingering warmth and the first hints of autumn create ideal conditions for new seeds to sprout quickly and establish strong roots. This unique combination of warm soil and cooler nights gives your new plants a head start, allowing them to grow vigorously before the first frost arrives. It's a magical time in the garden, when the promise of a second harvest is just beginning to unfold. Savvy gardeners know to use this window to prepare their beds for vegetables that thrive in cooler weather. By clearing out spent summer plants, enriching the soil with compost and carefully planting your rows, you set the stage for a bountiful fall garden. This preparation is key to ensuring your second harvest is just as successful, if not more so, than your first. Many of these cool season crops like leafy greens and root vegetables actually grow sweeter and more robust as the nights cool and the days become crisp. The gentle chill of autumn air encourages sugars to concentrate in the leaves and roots, resulting in flavors that are richer and more satisfying than anything you harvested in summer. Today, I'll share 19 vegetables you can plant in August for a productive fall and winter garden. From fast-growing greens to hardy roots, these crops will keep your garden vibrant and your kitchen stocked with fresh produce long after most people have put their tools away for the year. So, let's discover together how August can become the most rewarding month of your gardening year. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is your chance to unlock the secret of the second harvest and enjoy the abundance that late summer and fall can bring. As the heat of summer begins to fade and the days grow shorter, spinach truly comes into its own. This leafy green is perfectly suited for the transition from summer to fall, thriving in the gentle warmth of late summer soil. Spinach seeds germinate quickly when sown in soil that still holds the memory of summer's warmth, sending up tender shoots in just a matter of days. As the nights grow cooler and the air fills with morning dew, spinach responds by developing a sweeter, more delicate flavor. The drop in temperature actually triggers a natural process within the plant, causing sugars to accumulate in the leaves. This is why spinach harvested after a few chilly nights tastes noticeably sweeter and more vibrant than summer-grown leaves. To ensure a continuous harvest, try planting spinach seeds in small batches every 2 weeks. This method, known as succession planting, guarantees a steady supply of young, tender leaves throughout the season, rather than a single overwhelming glut. Spinach prefers a spot in the garden with rich, well-draining soil. Before planting, amend your soil with compost or organic matter to provide essential nutrients. Consistent watering is key. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy to encourage healthy, robust growth. As autumn deepens and nighttime temperatures continue to drop, you'll notice your spinach leaves becoming thicker, darker, and even more vibrant. The plants seem to glow with health, their leaves packed with nutrients and flavor. With just a little protection, such as a layer of garden fabric, a cold frame, or even a simple row cover, your spinach can withstand frosty nights and continue growing well into the winter months. This resilience makes spinach one of the best crops for extending your harvest season. Imagine harvesting crisp, sweet spinach leaves from your garden, even after the first frosts have arrived. Whether tossed fresh into salads or quickly wilted in a stir-fry, homegrown spinach brings a burst of green vitality to your winter table, long after most other crops have faded. Mustard greens are the bold, peppery stars of the fall garden, bringing a burst of flavor and color just as other crops begin to fade. Their frilly, vibrant leaves stand out among the autumn palette, making them a favorite for gardeners who crave something a little different as the weather cools. August is the perfect time to sow mustard greens. As summer's heat begins to wane, these hardy greens thrive in the gentle transition to fall. Simply sprinkle the tiny seeds in neat rows, pressing them lightly into the soil. They don't require much space, so even small gardens or containers can yield a generous crop. Mustard greens are known for their rapid growth. In just a few short weeks, you'll see lush, leafy plants ready for harvest. Their spicy, peppery bite adds excitement to salads, stir-fries, and soups, making them a versatile addition to your kitchen. For gardeners in colder regions, try cold-hardy varieties like Mizuna. Mizuna's delicate feathery leaves are not only beautiful but also milder in flavor, perfect for those who prefer a subtler taste. Or, experiment with classic broadleaf mustards for a more robust traditional flavor. Each variety brings its own unique taste and texture, so planning a mix can keep your harvest interesting. Mustard greens thrive in rich, moist soil. Before planting, work in plenty of compost or organic matter to ensure your greens have the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Water your seedlings well and keep the soil consistently moist. This encourages rapid, tender growth and helps prevent the leaves from becoming tough or bitter. For a steady supply, stagger your plantings every couple of weeks. This way, you'll always have fresh, young greens ready to pick, extending your harvest deep into the season. As autumn temperatures drop, mustard greens become even more vibrant. The cool weather mellows their flavor, making them sweeter and less pungent, while their colors, ranging from deep green to purple, intensify with the chill. With just a little effort, you'll enjoy baskets of nutrient-packed homegrown greens right up to winter's first frost. Mustard greens are not only delicious but also rich in vitamins and minerals, making them a healthy, rewarding choice for any autumn garden. Fall-grown lettuce is less likely to bolt and often more flavorful than summer crops. Butterhead, romaine, and loose-leaf varieties all thrive in the cooling days of late summer. Plant in succession every week or two for a steady supply. Prepare a bed in partial shade and keep soil moist for best results. Harvest young leaves for crisp salads, or let heads mature. Keep sowing as days shorten for fresh lettuce into autumn. Bok choy loves the cooler temperatures of late summer and autumn. Sow seeds directly into well-prepared beds, spacing for full heads. Water regularly and watch for slugs. Cool nights prevent bolting, so plants focus on leaf and stem growth. Harvest young for baby bok choy or let them mature for heartier meals. Enjoy this Asian favorite well into the chilly months. Tatsoi forms glossy green rosettes and shrugs off frosts that wilt other greens. Planted in August, it establishes quickly and keeps growing as days shorten. Sow seeds thinly and space for each rosette to expand. Tatsoi prefers moist, fertile soil and regular watering. Its mild, mustardy flavor suits salads, soups, and stir-fries. Harvest leaves as needed or cut whole heads for a robust meal. Tatsoi's resilience makes it a must for any autumn garden. Swiss chard brings vibrant color and robust greens to the fall and winter garden. Planted in August, it produces leaves well into winter with minimal protection. Snap off outer leaves as needed, letting the plant keep growing. Swiss chard adds nutrition and beauty to your meals all season long. Kale stands tall through frost and even snow, making it the ultimate cool weather crop. Plant in August for strong, sweet leaves as temperatures drop. Choose from curly, lacinato, or Siberian varieties. Prepare soil with compost and space plants for good airflow. Keep young plants watered and protect from cabbage worms with row covers. Harvest lower leaves first for ongoing growth. With a bit of care, you'll enjoy fresh kale all winter. Collard greens are legendary for their hardiness, lasting deep into winter. August planting gives them time to develop sturdy leaves and deep roots. Sow seeds directly or start in trays for transplanting. Keep soil fertile and moist, and mulch to retain water. Harvest leaves as needed for ongoing productivity. Collards are delicious braised, sautéed, or in hearty stews. Arugula's peppery bite is perfect for fall salads. Sow later in August to take advantage of cooler weather and reduce bolting. Scatter seeds or sow in rows, then cover lightly. Harvest baby greens in just a few weeks. Sow every couple of weeks for a continuous supply. Enjoy zesty leaves until the first hard frosts. Mâche or corn salad is a cold hardy green with a mild nutty flavor. Planted in August, it thrives as nights cool and forms dense, frost-tolerant rosettes. Sow seeds thinly and keep the bed moist. Harvest individual leaves or whole rosettes as needed. Mâche can be picked fresh throughout winter. It brings elegance and freshness to your cold weather table. Carrots become sweeter as the ground cools, making them a classic late-season crop. Sow in August for roots you can harvest through winter. Prepare a deep, loose bed and sow seeds thinly. Keep soil moist during germination and thin seedlings as they grow. Leave carrots in the ground under mulch and pull as needed. Enjoy the unmatched flavor of frost-sweetened carrots. Radishes are the quickest crop for an August sowing, ready in just 3 to 4 weeks. Sow seeds thinly, cover lightly, and keep moist for rapid growth. Try classic red or white daikon varieties for variety. Harvest promptly for crisp, tender roots. Enjoy them sliced in salads, on sandwiches, or roasted. Their speed and ease make them essential for late-season gardens. Squeeze in several rounds before winter sets in. Beets offer sweet roots and nutritious greens for autumn meals. Sow in August for roots that swell before the cold intensifies. Thin seedlings for robust roots and keep soil moist. Harvest young for tender beets and milder greens, or let them mature. Both roots and tops are packed with vitamins for the cooler months. Turnips mature quickly and thrive in cool, moist soil. Sow in August for a reliable late-season harvest. Both roots and greens are edible and versatile. Thin seedlings to allow bulbs to develop. Harvest young for mild roots, or let them grow for a stronger taste. Turnips shrug off frost, making them a staple for autumn and winter. Broccoli produces its best heads in the cool weather of autumn. Sow seeds in August or transplant young plants started earlier. Choose a sunny site with rich soil and keep plants well watered. Mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Harvest the main head while tight, then enjoy side shoots for weeks. Autumn-grown broccoli is especially tender and sweet. Cabbage produces dense, crisp heads that improve with autumn's arrival. Sow or transplant in August for quick establishment and full-size heads. Space plants generously and keep soil moist and mulched. Watch for slugs and caterpillars as heads firm up. Harvest solid heads for coleslaw, soups, and stews.